Hey guys, so we are here just buying a car. Morning why do I do this whenever I start filming? Anyways, good morning everybody. How is everyone doing? We are currently in the airport, Rochester Airport, heading to somewhere. You're gonna find out in the vlog. And I took this so I can't talk, but we're not allowed to take this off. Like I had a plan to do, oh my god. I had a plan to do like a better beginning for the vlog. But George, could you hold this like that? Then it was full. I have no idea why. I messed up my memory card. So I couldn't do whatever I planned to do, but you know what? We can start from now. Thank you. This is George. Airport is like literally empty. Yes, we got here some cookies because we have like a fat ass with us. Hey guys, so we just checked in with our luggage to the security check or whatever it's called, and we found these rocking chairs. So we just got on the plane. So we just landed in Detroit. Hey guys, we just got to LAX. We're waiting our Uber. Good morning you guys. So today is May 6th, which is my birthday to me, and I was just on like video calls with my family, my parents and my aunts and stuff. So everyone wished me a happy birthday, which they should. I mean, obviously I'm the star of the family. Anyways, just want to show you here the view in the morning from the apartment. So we're gonna go head out and we're gonna have some coffee, breakfast, buy some stuff because we haven't been able to, and yes, that's it. Guys, got you. Here you go. Thank you. Hi guys, so we are here, we're ordering some Starbucks pickup because obviously we're not allowed to go inside the store and the stores are not open. So I'll show you how everything is going on. So you see here is like you order the pickup and everything. Thank you. Okay guys, so we are here in the car show and the room show, the car show.
Dealer. Hey George.
Hello.
So we're trying to get a car from
Trying to be cool like you.
and John's father is also getting a car.
Ooh.
So we'll see how it's gonna go. John, show them the whole showroom.
Online. Okay guys, so we are here just buying a car and it's about to be ready, like they're just washing it, and yeah, we're just waiting for it to be washed. We paid everything, like we did the paperwork and everything is done, but like we're still waiting for the car to come. It's taking forever because it's like 9. I think it's actually almost 10 and they close by 8. So they're just waiting for us to, you know, they also wanted to do it fast, but it's taking so long to. And here are like my brother and my friend John. Say hi to the camera.
Hello.
This is my friend John.
Sorry, you know it's Corona time.
Yeah.
We're putting.
And that's my brother in there. And yeah, John's father also bought a car. So we're just waiting for that. So they're just like out here trying to kill time. As you see, ugly asses. So you guys, this is the car. It's finally here. My new car. As you see, I'm so excited for this. So you guys, this is my first time getting in the car. As you see, it's pretty cool. I like it so much. As you see here, like there's 2 cup holders and this is another one. This is the guy.
يا جميل سنة حلوة يا جميل سنة حلوة سنة حلوة سنة حلوة يا جميل
يا بنت الكيك يا جماعة. نريد ناكله شكله شهي.
عيد ميلادك شغل birthday to you happy birthday to you happy birthday to Basil happy birthday to you تعال يلا
بيرثدي تبع هو
Hi, good morning, Ryan. How are you?
Yeah, so the